With over 16,000 employees, Krones AG provides systems for the beverage and food industry. With thousands of patents and a turnover of around 4 billion euros, the SDAX-listed group is the global market leader in this field. Different legal regulations regarding hygiene standards, territorial habits, vessel shapes, materials, foods to be filled, and not least, different degrees of automation make each plant a unique project. CNC sheet metal working is the beginning of the dynamic production chain at almost all production sites. After the WiCAM PN4000 was introduced in a plant in 2013, with a resoundingly positive result in terms of SAP connectivity, handling and efficiency, the work preparation management team decided to exploit these competitive advantages throughout the group. In addition to daily business performance at the respective locations, the open, flexible structure of WiCAM is one of the greatest advantages in the area of corporate governance. Licenses can be distributed to locations around the world in seconds, according to demand. Structural changes, new plants, company acquisitions and the control of machines from any manufacturer are centrally planned, supported and implemented online from Germany. The resulting flexibility and scalability enable Krones not only to grow rapidly by area or as a whole, but also to respond immediately to changing market conditions. Today, Krones uses WiCAM's CADCAM solutions in all its sheet metal working plants around the globe.